Hello there, Emma. Welcome to Journal Entries LLC. Today we will begin your training with journal entries.
I'm excited. Let's get started.
Journal entries are simple. But there is a process. First, you need to analyze each transaction for its effects on the accounts. Second, you need to enter the transaction information into the journal. Third, and lastly, you need to transfer the journal information to the appropriate accounts in the ledger. So in this case we provided a service to a customer and they paid us in cash. In this case we would debit cash to recognize the fact that we received cash. We debit cash here because cash is an asset and assets increase with debits. The second part of the journal entry is a credit to service revenue. We credit service revenue here because it is a revenue account and revenues increase with a credit. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, that makes sense to me. So in the second journal entry here we paid our rent for the month of $500. In this case we would need to debit rent expense because your expenses are increasing and expenses have a normal debit balance. You would also need to credit cash because it is decreasing and you reduce asset accounts with a credit. Right?
That is correct. See, you are starting to understand it, aren't you?